Hello everyone, I am Professor Mutpule Pia. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is techniques for producing images on cathode ray tube. So basically there are two techniques used to produce the images on the cathode ray tube. First one, that is raster scan display, and second one, that is random scan display. So random scan display is also called as vector display. Vector display. Okay, so now let's see the working of these two techniques in detail. So first, that is random scan display. So what happened in the random scan display? As I have already said that the computer screen is made up of millions of pixels. Okay, and millions of pixels present on the computer screen, we have to scan each and every pixel present on the computer screen. Okay, so one line of the pixel is called as scan line. Okay, that means we have to scan this line of the pixel. Okay, we have to scan this line of the pixel. So what happened in the raster scan display? The electron gun will move from left to right in order to scan the first line of the pixel. Okay, that's why that line is called as scan line. Then, after completion of the scanning of the first line, it will move towards the next line, next scan line. Again, after completion of this line, it will move towards the next scan line. Like that, it will scan the whole screen from top to the bottom. But as soon as the scanning of the screen is completed, it will again move towards the start of the first scan line. That means leftmost, top leftmost corner of the screen, and again it will start to the scanning. Okay, why this will done? Because we have to continuously display one particular image on the screen. Okay, we have to continuously display the particular image on the screen. That's why we have to, or the electron beam will move from bottommost right corner to topmost left corner. Okay, so basically there are two important concepts here in the raster scan display, that is horizontal retrace and vertical retrace. So what is meant by horizontal retrace? As I have said that after scanning of the first line, it will move towards the next line. Okay, so that path is called, or that way is called horizontal retrace. Okay, just like in the shown in this figure, scanning of the first line is done. Okay, then it will move towards the next line, then after that it will again move towards the next line. So this is called as what? This is called horizontal retrace. This is horizontal retrace. That means it follows the horizontal path. And as soon as it will finish the scanning of the all the lines, it will again move towards the first line. So this way is called as what? Vertical retrace. Okay, moving from what? Rightmost bottom corner to topmost left corner. Okay, so this is all about the raster scan display. Then second is what? Random scan display. So random scan display, as I have already said, that it is also called what? Vector display. Okay, so what happened in raster scan display, or what is the main difference between raster scan display and random scan display? Raster scan display scans the whole screen, but in the random scan display, it will only scan the particular portion of the image which we want to display on the computer screen. So as shown in this figure, if we have to display the triangle and the rectangle, then it will scan this part only. It will scan what? This part only. It won't scan the whole screen. Okay, so this is the important feature of what? This is the important feature of the random scan display monitor. That is, you can also call it as what? Vector display. Okay. Now the next small concept is dot pitch. Dot pitch. So what is meaning of the dot pitch? In the previous video, I have discussed about the shadow mask technique. So what happened in that technique? We have used 3 electron guns, that is red, green and blue. So why we have used 3 electron guns? Because we have to highlight the phosphor coated screen of the particular color, that is red phosphor coated screen, green phosphor coated screen and blue phosphor coated screen. So in order to highlight that color, we are using 3 electron guns, and the distance between these 3 color, similar color, okay, I am talking about the similar color, distance between the similar color, as I have indicated here that 2 red dots here. So distance between these 2 red dots is called dot pitch. Distance between 2 green dots is called as dot pitch, and distance between 2 blue dots is also called as what? Dot pitch. Okay, so dot pitch means what? It is simply the distance between the 2 similar color. Okay, so in the next video we will going to discuss our next topic, that is various algorithm what we are using for scan conversion. Okay, algorithms for scan conversion. So thank you so much all of you for watching.